What's up everybody, I'm Striker here from STPISD, and I've been asked a lot of times about a question saying what's the best PC under 25,000 rupees? And we Indians, we're pretty crazy on gaming, and of course we're not that rich to afford a really great gaming PC. So it's gonna be a small review from me about the best gaming PC which I could suggest to. So first off, for the processor, we're sticking with the AMD 3.8 GHz AM3 Plus FX 4300 processor. So it's a quad-core processor and it does perform pretty nice. And this is the first time I'm recommending an AMD processor to somebody because they're heaters. And AMD's impressed me with its kind of technology and processors. Even reviews were fine, so you can go with it. It's on Flipkart. However, the links of all the parts will be provided down in the description below. So 6,775. And going out with the motherboard, we're going with the Asus M5 A7H MLX3 motherboard. So you're going to be getting AM3 Plus processor support, so it's supported with the processor. And you can get 16 GB of RAM, DDR3, 1866Hz. So 1866 is a good RAM speed, to be honest, and I like this. You can get a Core Unlocker as well. And it does support a good amount of graphics, and even for these reviews are fine, so no issues with them. And getting to the hard drive, the best hard drive which I found was the Seagate Barracuda, a terabyte desktop hard drive. So it's got a huge 64 megabytes of memory, and it's got a 7200 RPM, and it is able to take out a lot of workload, and it's got a SATA 6 gigabytes per second speed. And even for this, the reviews are fine. So no issues at all, and you can trust Seagate, it is a good brand. So getting on with the RAM, we're gonna be with the Kingston Fury 8 GB memory, 1866Hz. So if you're a symbol of more money, you can go up with a couple of modules, but 8 GB 1866Hz is pretty much better than 16 GB 1333Hz. Of course, you can go with anything because this motherboard is widely supported for all the RAMs. It's up to you whether you're gonna be saying no or yes. So going on with the graphics, the most important part, here's where I had to think a lot about graphics. So now I went on with the ATI Sapphire Radeon R7 240 2GB of DDR3 graphics. So why did I choose this graphics? I was pretty impressed because it was giving around 720p that was like 30 FPS, 35 FPS, and GTA 5. It is such a heavy game, but still this is able to pull up. So I was pretty impressed. I was like, alright, let's choose this, let's give this a try. So this graphics card is also really good and nice. So all this is powered by a good Circle power supply. So no worries in here too because all the reviews are fine, they're good. And Circle's been notoriously famous for its components sold online. And this is a 500 watt power supply and it does good. So last part, but not the least, the Circle gaming cabinet. You know what? Even you bump up an i7 Haswell E processor, if you have a stupid cabinet, it looks pretty odd. Same doesn't happen here. In fact, you're getting an awesome cabinet. You can look at this huge tower kind of cabinet. It looks so stylish. She got 7 expansion slots. So and 3 cooling fans inbuilt with a steel black body. So it looks pretty attractive. And it looks like it is very costly. Even the reviews are good, so no issues with that at all. So this is the best PC which you can ever get for 25,000 of 2015 ending. That's what I like to say. I've done pretty less research. I'm not great experience either. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please be on the like button, subscribe button, any comments right down below. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out. Yeah.